Unboxing of the Model 8 HT collector. Collector comes fully assembled other than the mount kit attaching brackets. First thing we'll do is on the collector mounting brackets, just loosely set them down onto the uprights. Measure from the outside to outside of the attaching holes. We're at roughly 29 3/4 of an inch. From there you'll take that measurement. You will have multiple different positions of mounting holes on the collector itself. Using that measurement, find which holes are closest to the center to center of the holes. That way the collector is centered to the tractor. Once the mounting holes are determined, release the rubber draw latch on the collector and pivot up the framework to where it locks into place. This will allow opening underneath and easier access when installing the collector mount brackets. Take the brackets off and mount to the holes that were determined. Yes, making sure that the truss head, which is the rounded side of the head of the bolt, goes towards the inside, which is towards the bag side. Once the collector mounting brackets are secure, lower and release the prop and resecure the rubber draw latch. Now you'll be able to pick up on the back and the front side of the collector and rotate onto the uprights. Final installation of the Model 8 HT collector to the tractor mount. Go ahead and secure collector to the upright mounts, tightening the jam nut and locking bolt. Tighten locking bolt to where it's secured to the pipe, and then resecure with the jam nut.